Hey everybody, welcome back to The Drunken Sailor. As you know, we're running out of shot days for Christmas coming, so we need to get another one in. And today is a nice, fresh, minty cocktail, and we're calling this one the Peppermint Patty shot. So, with that being said, let's start pouring. We're going to take this, and it's a layered drink, and we're going to start with 1 ounce of Crème de Cacao, and that's the dark. That's going in there. Next, we're going to use we're going to layer that on top of this. So we're going to use the back of the bar spoon, lay it against the edge of your glass, and we are going to put in there a 1/2 ounce of Peppermint Schnapps. That goes in there. Last but not least, we're going to use 1/2 and 1/2. So we're going to put 1 ounce of 1/2 and 1/2 in there. If you got heavy cream and you want to use that, go ahead. We all know holiday calories do not count. Now at this point, this looks like a great cocktail to have any time of the year, so we need to kind of make it a little bit more festive. Take a little bit of whipped cream, put the top on that. Can't have enough festivity, so a little bit of red sugar, and there you go. The Peppermint Patty. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yes.